right, this is the last video, hopefully, of the mysterious creature that's been terrorizing my shop. But first, let me show you what this guy did. This is the drawing that I had drew of the trap. And this motherfucker conveniently sat on my paper, chewed the rubber off of my handle, and then conveniently took a shit on my fucking notepad. But guess what? Plot twist. All of that rubber's not good for him. Came in today, and this sucker was right here. So now that explains why I wasn't able to catch him with the trap. He was just too fat for the trap. Crazy thing is, I don't know how he died, but he's still alive. Hey, Mr. Splinter. Oh yeah, you don't like that, do you? I told you I was gonna make you pay for that shit. Fucker, you been eating good around here. Ooh, look at him, fat rat. Ooh, your tummy hurt? Eating all that rubber and plastic and shit, huh? You like cheeseburgers and ramen noodle packs. Big healthy motherfucker, man. God damn. Ooh, buddy. Dang, that's a big healthy bud. Hey there, Master Splinter. God damn, that's a big motherfucker. That's for comparison. God damn. Crazy thing is, if there's one, there's probably more.